record in a second.
Okay.
All right, folks, here we go. Guys, everybody, take a look.
Yeah, so here's the directions page on how to put a barcode on an object. Yeah, let me just go down to the part I got lost at. You must hit Control T. That's why, okay.
Are you good?
Yep. So let me open up my image again. Already there. Baseball. There we go.
Is that baseball and grass?
Yeah.
One picture?
Yep, one picture. Let me zoom in on it. Okay, so you make a, first you have to make a black rectangle.
Do you need to make a new layer?
You don't need to, but you can, yeah.
Why don't you make a new layer?
All right.
Get in the habit of doing
So go up to layer, and then new layer, call it whatever. And then on there, draw your rectangle, and then go up to filter, noise, add noise, then go up to 400% monochromatic Gaussian noise, hit OK. Come up to the single row marquee tool, and draw it as close as you can across the center, and then hit apparently Control T. See if that's correct.
Which will be transformed.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so add noise. That. Okay, so Control T and then. Yeah. It's to work this time. Okay, so.
You want to go back to the direction?
Yeah, for some reason I can't get to work right now.
So go up one, let's switch again. Okay. Press Control T, transfer selection area like in the screenshot, which you can see.
Yeah, when I did this on my computer, it worked perfectly fine.
Remove selection. Remove selection with Control D again. Move the next step. Now we need to cut off some lines.
So, Control T. Okay. Oh. Marquee. Yeah, when I did this on my computer, I just drew it along and then dragged it up and down.
Go to Edit Transform.
Edit Transform.
And I'm not sure which one we would be doing. Probably Scale.
I'm gonna try this. Because we're on a Mac, Command T instead of Control T.
Okay.
That's all. Yeah, and then you just drag it up and down, and then
How big, Jeff? How big do you know how to make it? As far as your height there.
I mean, it's not really important how big you make it. I mean, you just have to make it as big as you think barcode should be. And let's see if I think I should make it a little bigger. Let's make it about that, and then I'll use the apply the transformation. I'll use the rectangular marquee tool. No, I'll deselect that first. Then use the rectangular marquee tool. First, cut off everything below it. Alright, and then deselect that, and then you do use the rectangular marquee tool to cut out a rectangle down here, because you need to have space to put your numbers in at the bottom. So select that area, cut it out. Then you take it is text box, deselect that. There we go. Take a text box and draw it on down here, but you have to have it extend over the sides of the barcode because you have to have a number on each side. Take that, start over here, see how big the numbers are. I'm going to zoom in a little more so I can see them more easily.
Thanks.
Right, yeah. So you take your text box, no, there we go. So you start over here, one step to the left of the barcode, and add a bunch of spaces there, then just type in a bunch of random numbers. Probably change the font here to make it better. And just have it go until it's basically at the edge of the barcode. And then over here, add one more number, and then I'm going to select this all and change the font. It's not a good font. That looks good to me. I'm just going to extend it a bit so I can have all my numbers fit in here. Alright. There we go. So now you have numbers at the bottom of your barcode. Alright, zoom back out. And then I'm going to merge these two layers. Control click. How do you select two layers and right click on them on the Mac?
Well, you haven't selected there, yes?
Yeah, but how do I right click so I can merge them? Control click. Okay, cool. And then merge the layers. So that way this is just one piece. Alright. Then in order to make it blend in with the background, you have to go up here to layer style and change it to multiply.
Can you zoom in?
Yeah.
Show them what just happened.
So you're up here, you have your layer style. That's what it normally is. And then you have to change it to multiply so it gets rid of all the white bars. So it's
So 2 questions. That's a nice, beautiful baseball, and your barcode looks brand new, and the ball is round, and your barcodes are straight up and down. So what do you do now?
Alright, so first, if you want it to look kind of in line with the baseball, you can rotate it a bit just to get it. So it's more in line with how the baseball's sitting. Place it over there. Then you can warp it a little bit. So come up back here to edit, transform, warp. I'm just going to move it down a bit so I can see the entire thing. There we go. And then you can move this around like you like. Put it however you want.
So now it's following the shape of the baseball.
Yeah.
Now Jeff is kind of, going through this in front of all of us here. Take your time when you get to this step.
Yeah.
He's just gonna, rifle through it, but you take your time to make sure it
And apply
fits the
that.
contour.
Yeah.
This way.
And then
So
you
that's brand new.
Yeah, then you have to fade it a bit, and there are several ways to do that. So you can do, if you want, you can blur it Take a nice big brush and just go around the edges. Let's increase the strength. Just go around the edges and blur it a bit. That takes a while. So instead of doing that, you can come here. Where is it?
Create a mask.
Yeah, there's layer mask. Create layer mask, and then come over here to the gradient tool. Select that. And then you can come in and we don't want to do that, it's too much. Reduce the opacity a bit. You don't want it to completely fade away. Come over here and have gradients like that, which help fade away the edges. Increase a bit. And that's probably the easiest way to fade it out.
Can you show them the eraser tool?
Yeah, and then the other option is to take the eraser, make a nice big soft eraser, and then reduce the opacity so you don't completely get rid of it. Change this so it's white in the foreground down here, and then when you erase, fades it out. You can just erase all over. Yeah. And then when you zoom back out, it blends in better with baseball.